world has disappeared. It's just you and I. Those eyes I can't describe. They pull me in like a riptide. Put your hands on mine and linger. It's like you've stopped the time just to be with me. It seems just like a dream, but will we wake or remain asleep? How tight will you hold me tomorrow? Will that look in your eyes always follow?
Good morning, guys. We're starting another day, another vlog. This is where I'm starting it with. I'm on my way to going to work, okay? So come with me to Kora. In this vlog, ndaba harimo ibintu byinshi, like everything. I'm just loving the outfit. Nambaye quarter two. I feel so good. So let's go to work, and we are praying that we have a productive day ahead, the best one, okay? And itubere umugisha, urikumva? Itubere umugisha, itubere nyine uw'agaciro mu buzima bwacu uyu munsi. We play that everything bize kugenda neza, ibyo twifuza, ibyo ndi kwifuza. So hope you had amazing night, you guys. Biza kugira umunsi mwiza, Imana ikomeze namwe arinde, and I'm just learning great this year. But yeah, let's keep going.
Okay, we ball.
Got no pause, I keep my days on rewind and burned out, but caught up. But I've been trying to break that. Still my payback, just so far. Ways to go for what I'm wishing to find. Whatever's on my wrist, swear it isn't the time. I either miss calls or you're hitting decline, cause you don't want no missed calls, and you feel like that's all you do. My mind keeps racing the day.
Hi guys, good evening. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're doing amazing. And me also I'm doing amazing. So shaka ko dukora unboxing, you guys, for the Women's Day gift we got from the workspace. First of all, thank you Tomato50 for surprising us, for giving us, for valuing us. Kudagachiro as women at your workspace is something we can't take for granted, and we are grateful for that. We are grateful for you. We are grateful for showing us this love and this support and this appreciation. Thank you guys. Ndashimira abafatanyije gukora ino gift, njyewe n'abandi dukorana, ntavuze amazina yabo yabarizi. And ndashimira na company n'ubuyobozi bwayo bashyize mu bikorwa nyine bakabishyira biba. Ndashimira cyane, nshimira n'abandi bakora igihano dukorana bamfashije video and everything. Like, you guys, you're the best. So we unbox it together, okay? So first of all, you look at all company actually Capcut. You can subscribe, follow kuri Instagram yacu, with the friend kuri TikTok yacu, kuri Twitter yacu, kuri Instagram, kuri Facebook, hose turahari kugira ngo tukugezeho ibyo ushaka ko tugutumikira, sibyo? So first of all dore ngiyi ririmo hari ibyo nanakuyemo nahise nikoreshereza rwose kuko niyo nkakeneye kano kantu kamushyira ku ruhande kugira ngo inbox them together. Okay, so ukifungura rero ni akantu gasanzwe, ni akabaraje kado. Wow, this is so cute. Like one thing about me, ngiye nkunda gift. Niba ari akantu kamara gutya, as long as it's a gift, ngiye rwose ndabikunda cyane. So ugifungura rero harimo this, harimo agatawara cyangwa agasume kanditse karimo kumenya gutya kagapupe. Nkunda agapupe, so cute. Akahanditseho ngo good luck, as you can see. Yeah, iyi ni gift ya mbere irimo. Gift ya kabiri irimo ni zino harimo zino hair bands, utuntu bafunyisha imisatsi. So beautiful, like you see how beautiful they are. Ni byiza cyane, I will love them definitely. Ikindi harimo utungutu tuno ni ama wipes for every girly. Ufite wipes kubera ko wipes ni nziza byatari for your hygienic conditions. Okay, I love that this one is so portable. Hano sinazigendana. My the best. Nuko was so creative. I love this for me. Next is kanokari oil, like crazy. Mwana yewe mfite kushaka oil. Ni nziza pe. Ikamera kwa neza ni nziza. It's the best gift you can ever give a girl. Yeah, so the ukifungura nayikoresheje sorry, ariko this is how it looks. So cute, so girly. Like I loved how nyine kuzana theme ya women, pinkish, purplish, things like that. Perfect. You guys are the best. Chimela ni just twatugaye zino gift to be creative. I love this for me. Yeah, next is hand cream. Crazy. Like this is the color of the women. You guys are you're good at picking something for the specific day. I love this. This is the hand cream, you guys. So cute. Yeah, this is the hand cream. I love this for me. So I'm accepting this hand cream the best. It's fresh pomegranate moisturizing hand lotion. It's so like the best for girls out there. I recommend you. So the last but not the least, chocolate. I'm not serious. Hano harimo chocolate sonarayiri miyihangane. Harakaraga chocolate cyane nkashaka nzashaka tukaye hano ninkabona. Last but not the least is this sweet. Yeah, this is so cute. Izi bombo nazikunda mbere zaryoshye. Yeah, inyo gift yindi yerimo. Urikumva iyi bombo, I love bombo, nkunda amabombo cyane niyo minsi asigaye andi hano mu mutwe wanjye. So ikindi yari iyo chocolate narayiriye kera. But yeah, those are the gifts that they give us on Women's Day at the workspace. Does your workspace treat you? Comment. But yeah, I'm grateful for having such people who care about others, who love us, who appreciate what we do, who appreciate our presence muri everyday operations. I appreciate you, man. Ikomeze umugisha kandi bashimira cyane kugira gift mwamaye niyo gift nakire mu buzima bwanjye ya mbere. Hari gift ndinzi. Okay, gift yo appreciatinga imwe ya mbere nakire. So I'm so excited. Thank you guys for surprising us. Man, ikomeze umugisha kandi yeah, let me stop by here guys and we continue the vlog.